Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can cook the mellow milk tea. So make sure you have cooked the mellow black tea first. The ingredients are actually just like all black tea, but if you want the mellow milk tea, you need to replace like the tea with milk. But make sure you cook the ingredient first, like the main recipe, sorry, first, and then let's start cooking and make sure you have substitute the rest of the ingredients with milk, and it's going to basically create the secret recipe. There's also another one which is the cocoa tea, but I don't have the cocoa yet. So we're just gonna stick with this for this secret recipe, but it's basically the same. You're just going to substitute the milk with cocoa instead. Cocoa, I don't know. But that is it for this video. Let me just wait until this is done. Okay. So we've unlocked the mellow milk tea with that recipe. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!